Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am back with again something new which will definitely help you beautify your English. Okay, so friends, in today's video, we are going to uncover all the idioms that are related to the parts of our body, our hands, our thumbs, our eyes, our nose, our ears. Okay, so there are idioms. Okay, see, English language abounds by such idioms. Okay, now generally in our daily spoken English, we are very repetitive with our vocabulary, with our words, etc. But infusing these body idioms, or for that matter, any idioms, and using some novel words can definitely help us level up our English and beautify our English. Okay, and we can definitely come across as someone really promising in language. Yes. So in today's video, let's understand what are the different idioms which are made from the parts of our body, which you can also use in your day-to-day English and beautify your English. So out of these 10 idioms that I've brought you today, even if you, imbibe, even if you use 2 to 3 idioms, okay, I think my job is done. Yes, friends? So let's get started. So let's look at the first idiom of the day, an arm and a leg. Okay. Now, something which is very expensive. Okay. We generally in our normal English say, oh, that's so costly, that's so expensive. Yeah. But now you can diversify. Okay. You can use diverse ways. And one of the way to say things that is, something that is very expensive, something that is very costly is using this idiom, the body idiom, that is an arm and a leg, which means something very expensive. Now, how are you going to use this in a sentence? Let's understand the sentence. Okay, that new car costs an arm and a leg. Oh, that new car costs an arm and a leg. This is what it is. Yeah. So this was the first idiom. What is it? An arm and a leg. Something which is very expensive. Second one, all hears. All hears. Now, what do you think? What does it mean? It means to listen carefully. How will you use it in the sentence? Just say, hey, please continue. I am all ears, which means I'm listening to you carefully. You please continue. Okay. So let's understand the sentence. One more example sentence. The teacher asks if I was all my ears on the discussion. So the teacher asked me whether I was listening to her carefully. Okay, this is what it means. Let's look at the next idiom, all thumbs. Third one, all thumbs. All thumbs means the day, there are days in our life when we tend to be very clumsy, we tend to be very unorganized, we tend to be a little messy. Okay, so that's when we call ourselves a little clumsy. Okay, unorganized, clumsy, messy, okay? Not understanding, oh, what should I do first? Yeah. So this means all thumbs. Let's look at the example sentence and you will be clearer. I'm all thumbs today. Why? Why am I all thumbs today? Because I keep dropping my mobile, which means I'm not able to handle my mobile only. I'm dropping it continuously. So which means I'm all thumbs. I'm sure this might have give you some clarity. Yeah. The next one, add insult to injury, which means you are trying to worsen an unfavorable situation. The situation is already unfavorable and you try to worsen it. Okay, so when you try to worsen the already unfavorable situation, you are adding insult to injury. Let's look at the sample sentence. She added insult to injury by mocking at her loss. So loss was anyways unfavorable, and by you when you mock the loss, that means you're adding insult to the injury. You're making the unfavorable situation worst. Yeah. Break a leg. Now, break a leg means good luck. I'm sure this is a very rare thing. I doubt whether you have heard this before. Okay. So now that you know it, you have heard it, you know it, please use it. Generally, how do we wish good luck to our friends? We just say, hey, good luck, or best of luck, or all the best, best wishes, okay, so on and so forth. Now, this time, just say goodbye to all these normal things and use something new, which means break a leg. So you can just say before the final exams, the teacher told her students to break a leg. And you can just wish your friend, hey, come on, break a leg, which means all the best, good luck. Okay. So use this next time when you want to wish your friend good luck. Just say him, hey, break a leg. Apple of my eye. Okay, I'm sure you must be aware about this. Apple of an eye is someone whom you adore, okay, an adored person. Okay, someone who's your favorite, someone whom you really adore is apple of eye. Okay. So now my precious sister is the apple of my eye, which means she is someone whom I adore the most. Yeah, she's adorable to me. By the skin of my teeth. By the skin of my teeth means barely, narrowly. Barely, narrowly. So I finished the test by the skin of my teeth, which means just when the bell rang, I completed my paper. I finished the test. This is what it means, barely, okay, by a very small margin. Yeah. Get a head start, which means start before others. So when you start before others, you generally get a head start. Yeah. So let's look at the example sentence. She always get a head start from her boss. Why? As she reaches office early. Okay. So when you start early, when you start before others, okay, that's when you get a head start. Give a cold shoulder. Give a cold shoulder means to deny something or just to ignore something. Okay. So now if someone is trying to deny something or trying to ignore you on few of your demands, then which means he's giving you a cold shoulder. Yeah. Let's look at the example sentence. The son gave a cold shoulder to his dad, right? When asked about the homework. So when this dad was actually checking about the homework, from his son, he was just checking with his son, Array, whether you finished your homework or not. What is the status of your homework? He tried to ignore or he tried to deny, which means he gave a cold shoulder. Get something off the chest, which means to reveal or confess something. Okay, so when you're revealing something, when you're admitting your mistakes, when you're sharing your mistakes with someone, okay, which means you're getting something off the chest. Yeah. So let's look at the example sentence. Ram felt better after getting his mistakes off the chest. Ram felt better after getting his mistakes off the chest, which is absolutely correct. That's about it. So this is what was all, in today's video. We have tried to cover as many as possible idioms relating pertaining to the body. Okay. Now use them in your daily English and uplift your English quotient, level up your English quotient. And this is actually what we do we on weekly basis with our paid community members. Okay. So we generally try to uh, get them well versed with new vocabularies, new ways of thinking, writing, expressing, articulating, communicating. Okay, so by level by beautifying their English, infusing few vocabularies, idioms, phrasal verbs, and of course, fine tuning the grammar, working on the sentence structure so that they don't need the grammar check softwares. Okay, and there are times when you often feel that, oh, I have so much to say, but you don't have words to express yourself. That's where you are running short of words. Okay, but that's where you need to be well versed with different vocabularies and different idioms. So this is exactly what we do with our paid community members. So in case if you're interested to join our paid community, please do buzz us and we would love to help you beautify your English quotient and level up your English quotient. Okay. Now, people who have joined us have done really well in their competitive exams, have really done well in cracking interviews, yeah, in communications, wherever communication is needed. I'm sure there is no field where communication is not needed, no such field, right? So communication is always an added advantage, and English skills is equals to your communication skills. The equation is very clear these days. So if you really want to nurture and master your English skills, you want to level up your English skills, do buzz us and we would love to help you. Yeah. And of course, friends, goes without saying, if you have liked our content, please like, okay, and comment if you want something new that we should bring for you. Please do comment and let us know. We would love to help you with it. And do not forget to hit the bell button so that you can get notifications okay, of all our videos, which will certainly help you beautify your English quotient. Okay, friends. So that's about it in today's video, and I shall see you soon in the next.